Okay, bestie, grab your pumpkin matcha because we need to talk. Like, fall is officially here, and I've been in full cozy girl Pinterest core mode. You know that feeling when you walk into Target and suddenly your whole personality is, I need that burnt orange throw blanket? Yeah, that's me right now, but before we get into what's in my cart, I've been deep diving into what all the content girlies are doing, from the cozy vloggers to the luxury lifestyle influencers, and babe, fall hauls this year are hitting different. Like, the internet is calling this the soft reset fall, the era where matcha replaces coffee, neutrals get replaced by pumpkin spice tones, and everyone's home decor looks like an Anthropology ad come to life. Let's unpack what's trending, what recipes the bloggers are actually using, and how creators are turning cozy season into content gold. So, I was watching this blogger who's basically the it girl of fall aesthetic. She posted this pumpkin matcha recipe that's been going viral on TikTok. The twist? She adds vanilla oat milk cold foam on top and dusts it with cinnamon. Like, not only does it look cafe level, but she styled the video with warm tone lighting, cozy lofi music, and her marble countertop sprinkled with fake leaves. The comments were like, why does this feel like a hug in a cup? Then another creator on YouTube, more on the minimalist side, made her version with a pumpkin spice syrup she made from scratch. Babe, she roasted her own pumpkin. Like, we're talking commitment. And she filmed it in slow motion with that calming autumn playlist in the background. It's giving ASMR luxury. But what I noticed is how these girls are smart. They're mixing comfort content with SEO gold. Fall Decor 2025, Pumpkin Matcha Latte Recipe, Cozy Home Aesthetic Reset. These are the titles blowing up right now. Okay, now let's get into the shopping side because oh my gosh, every YouTube girly has a fall decor haul up right now. Like, one vlogger did a Target versus Home Goods fall Decor showdown, and it was so fun to watch. She had pumpkins, throw pillows, fuzzy slippers, even a $10 dupe for that viral Anthropology candle. Another influencer took it to the next level with a Shop With Me vlog, and she filmed herself thrifting vintage fall finds while sipping a pumpkin cream cold brew. The vibe was immaculate, like cozy core meets sustainable chic. But what's interesting is how this year's fall hauls are not just about spending. The trend is about intentional coziness. Bloggers are romanticizing slow living, decorating on a budget, making your space feel like your favorite coffee shop, and mixing new decor with what you already own. The vibe is less, buy everything pumpkin, more, let's create a vibe that feels like peace. And bestie, here's the secret sauce. These fall haul videos aren't just aesthetic, they're algorithm magic. YouTube's recommending cozy content hard right now. If your title has fall, haul, or decor in it, you're halfway there. Add a thumbnail with warm tones, a cup of matcha in your hand, and fairy lights in the background. Chef's kiss. One creator I saw literally turned her whole weekend into a mini fall series. Pumpkin matcha morning routine, decorate with me, cozy apartment edition, and fall thrift haul. Each video connected like a story. She wore neutral sweaters, lit a candle, and kept that same soothing aesthetic. That's why viewers binge watch, because it feels like a friend FaceTiming you about her week while she decorates her apartment and sips something delicious. According to a few digital marketing blogs and creator insider forums, cozy fall content is seeing 25% higher engagement than summer content this year. People are craving comfort, and lifestyle creators are giving it through fall resets, warm visuals, and slow mornings. Pinterest searches for pumpkin matcha recipe, fall aesthetic kitchen, and cozy YouTube backgrounds are all up by thousands. The crazy part? Even brands have noticed. Starbucks collabs, Etsy fall mug shops, and small creators selling seasonal presets are everywhere. Some creators are using affiliate links for their fall decor and making serious income from these hauls. Like, cozy content is literally becoming a business model. But let's be real. Behind the cozy filters and cinnamon foam, it's the vibe we're chasing. Peace, comfort, and that soft life glow. Fall isn't just about pumpkin spice. It's about slowing down, resetting your space, and feeling good in your routine again. And maybe, just maybe, treating yourself to a cute little candle and fuzzy socks moment while editing your own cozy content. So, next time you see a pumpkin matcha vlog pop up on your feed, remember, it's not just a drink, it's an energy. It's your sign to romanticize the tiny things again. Girl, even TikTok has caught the pumpkin matcha fever. It's everywhere. You can't scroll for more than 10 seconds without seeing that creamy swirl of green and orange in someone's glass tumbler. Some creators are calling it the new pumpkin spice latte because it's cleaner. Matcha gives that calm focus and it photographs so well. I saw one influencer pour hers over a pumpkin-shaped ice cube and literally tag it Achak Yash Autumn Core Energy. Like, we're living in a cinematic coffee shop fantasy right now, but what's even cuter is how creators are styling it. Think gold straws, thrifted ceramic mugs, or glass cups with handwritten fall quotes. They're pairing it with chunky sweaters, gold jewelry, and press-on nails that match their drink. And yes, pumpkin matcha nails are actually trending. Pinterest searches for matcha swirl nail design have skyrocketed. It's like everyone's drink has to match their vibe now. Something I've noticed from all the cozy hauls and fall reset vlogs is how emotional they actually are. It's not just about decor, it's about healing. So many creators are opening up about wanting peace, slowing down, and letting go of the chaos from earlier this year. You'll see vloggers sipping matcha while journaling, lighting candles with affirmations, and saying things like, "This fall, I'm choosing softness." It's like the entire internet decided to collectively romanticize being gentle with themselves. And babe, that's what makes this content so addictive. It's not performative, it's comforting. It reminds us that home can be our safe place, that creating a vibe is self-care, and that treating yourself doesn't have to mean spending hundreds of dollars. Sometimes it's just lighting a $3 candle and taking a deep breath. Okay, but let's talk strategy, because you know your girl loves connecting the dots. The reason why these fall videos are blowing up is that they hit every algorithm signal: seasonal keyword, aesthetic thumbnail, long form watch time, and relatability. Even small creators are going viral because cozy content performs best in October. The key: consistency. One vlogger posted daily fall routines for a week straight, and her channel doubled in subscribers. Also, micro trends like pumpkin matcha mornings, Sunday reset vlogs, and Decorate with Me 2025 are all trending. Phrases right now. These titles make your videos pop up next to other cozy creators so it feels like you're part of a bigger fall conversation, not just uploading randomly. This is literally how creators are turning fall vibes into brand growth. Behind all the aesthetic footage, there's real business happening. Some influencers are turning their cozy fall series into product launches, from planners and candles to digital presets and fall filters. I read on a blogger forum that one content creator made over $20,000 from affiliate links during her fall haul series because every product she mentioned sold out. Like, cozy content isn't just cute, it's conversion content, and if you think about it, fall is the perfect season for it. People are in shopping mode, prepping for holidays, and craving that new season, new me vibe. So when a YouTuber shows a cozy home and says, "This mug just makes me happy every morning," the viewers click buy instantly. It's emotional marketing wrapped in cinnamon sugar. This whole trend honestly feels like a cultural shift. The cozy girl reset movement is about stepping away from burnout culture and stepping into contentment. It's soft, it's calm, it's self-love wrapped in a fuzzy blanket. And the fact that the internet, a place that used to be all about hustle, is now obsessed with cozy resets says a lot about where we're heading. So maybe it's not just about the pumpkin matcha or the Decor hauls, maybe it's about finding beauty in the small things again. Like, yeah, your life might not look like a Pinterest board every day, but that doesn't mean it can't feel like one sometimes. Light that candle, pour your matcha, and let yourself breathe. That's the real fall trend. Okay, girl, before we wrap up, I have to share a little secret. While I was sipping my pumpkin matcha and planning this cozy haul, I was also thinking about how we can feel as cute as our vibes look. That's why my Shopify store is live with press-on nails and lip glosses made for every fall mood. Think soft pumpkin shades, glossy caramel tones, and sparkly finishes that catch the light like fairy dust. Whether you're filming your own fall content or just want to feel extra cozy while scrolling your feed, these little beauty pieces are your perfect seasonal sidekicks. And babes, remember, it's not about perfection or keeping up with every trend. It's about making your little moments feel special. Light a candle, sip your pumpkin matcha, style your nails, swipe on that lip gloss, and just breathe. Small self-care rituals like this remind you that your joy matters, your vibe matters, and yes, you absolutely deserve a little sparkle in your everyday. Now, bestie, if you thought part 1 was cozy, wait until part 2. we're diving straight into the exact viral fall haul products everyone's raving about, from the cutest mugs to decor pieces that literally transform your space. And of course, I'll show you how to snag the same aesthetic without breaking the bank. Plus, we'll sneak in a few more beauty tips for your press-on nails and lip gloss to keep your fall glow on point. So grab your pumpkin matcha, light that candle, and get ready. Part 2 is coming, and it's all about leveling up your cozy girl vibes this season.